much. I'm going to the mall because the place that I'm going to is not allowed to do my live or anything live streaming over there. So since I'm over here by the mall, I will. It's only 5 minutes to the mall. I will stay in the mall. So I will be dry and I can do my